If you want to grow on YouTube, be sure to subscribe because I share with you the same easy methods that I use to grow. And for those who've been asking, yes, my YouTube Masterclass course is available again, where you get the same methods I use to grow a brand new channel from 0 to over 1,000 subscribers in a month. And you also learn how to monetize your channel the way I do to generate automated income just like this. And to get access to that content, all you have to do is click the link in the description. And you can even see the results YouTubers in the course are sharing. What's going on? So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to make hundreds of dollars starting today and potentially every day using my favorite type of income method online, and that is through affiliate marketing. And the reason why affiliate marketing is my favorite is, well, because it's the main source of income I have online. Now, there are tons of variations of doing affiliate marketing. If you're interested in my personal way, my personal method for doing affiliate marketing and utilizing YouTube as the traffic source, that's what my course is for, and that is in the description, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video. But today we're going to cover just a different variation of affiliate marketing using high ticket items, how to find them and how to promote them for free. And if you have a little bit of money, you can even use paid traffic. I'll show you how to do that as well today. And that in particular is one of the reasons why it's an advantage to have high ticket items, because when you are using paid traffic, you have the ability to have large margins. So you can still buy traffic, and even if you just make one sale on a high ticket item, you can still have a ton of profit. More on that here in a minute. So let's go ahead and first talk about how to find a high ticket item. Well, one way you can do that is we can just head over to ClickBank. If you're not familiar with ClickBank, it's the largest platform of its kind where you can find products to promote and earn a commission every time you sell a product through your affiliate link, and it's completely free to join. All you have to do is come up here, create an account, set it up, and you're good to go. And then when you find a product to promote, you just click for your hop link or your affiliate link, and that's it. You go promote it, and then it will track your sales. So let's go to the affiliate marketplace, and we're going to find a high ticket item to promote. So we have all the categories right here. We're going to be looking in, for our example, e-business and e-marketing. And there we go. Hey, there's affiliate marketing. And since we're talking about affiliate marketing, why not promote an affiliate marketing product? So let's click on that. Now, since we're talking about getting that money right up front, making hundreds of dollars starting as soon as today, we're going to switch this from popularity to initial dollars per sale. So right up front, you're going to get paid the most for these products. Now we're going to look for two more things. One, we want to look at the gravity, and the gravity is a sign that this product is selling. And so this gravity on the first one is 3.72, 1.92, 39.51. So that's good. And then down a little bit farther, we have 31, we have 51. Holy cow, this is Super Affiliate System John Crestani's auto webinar funnel. Let's go ahead and check this one out. Ah, yes, and awesome. This is what I was hoping to see. Sign up for the free training. So you're going to get people to want to click on this because it's free, so they can try it out. And then once they're in, they're going to get prompted to buy the product. So this is what we were hoping to see, and this is what we found. So just to go over what we did one more time, we flipped this to initial dollars per sale. So we want to make that money right now up front. Then we checked out the gravity, and that's again right here with the numbers coinciding how popular the product is, how well it's converting. And this one is a good one, 51.97. And then kind of the icing on top is it has a free training. Something that you can promote that says it's free is very good for getting people to take action and clicking and at least trying it out. The next thing we would do is click promote for that product. I'm not logged in, but if I were, then I would just generate my hop link, which is also known as your affiliate link. And then you keep that link and you're going to promote it the way I'm going to show you right now. Now, the first thing you can do, one of the best free traffic sources there is, YouTube. And again, that is what my personal system is based on, is driving tons of traffic to offers through YouTube. Now, I don't typically promote products like this on my channel here, but I have other channels that I do promote other products through. And just to illustrate the power of YouTube and the power of the traffic you can generate, let's go ahead and check out some of my views. And so you can see right here, just these, my top 3 viewed videos are over 1 million views in total. This one alone, over 500,000 views. And so now you can imagine if you promote a product or a course through any of these types of videos where you're getting hundreds of thousands of views, you can earn a lot of income. Now, if you don't know how to get your videos ranked and generate that type of view count, but you have a little bit of money, I'm going to show you an option that you can use. So this is called Sprizzy. It's a platform where you can help get traffic to your videos with as little as $30. You can get over 1,000. I think it's like 12 100 views. Actually, let's go ahead and scroll down and we'll check out some of the testimonials and stuff. But you can scroll down here to the bottom somewhere. They have, yeah, how much does it cost? And so yes, pricing starts at $30, which gets you about 1,200 views or more. So they're gonna take your money and then they're gonna start up an ad campaign on YouTube, completely legit, to drive traffic to your video. So again, since the product we just talked about was free, has a free training element to it, you could enroll in that free training element. You could do a little review on that and then direct people with your affiliate link in the description to that product. So for $30, 1,200 views, if just one person out of 1,200 people bought that product, you could generate over $400 in profit based on the initial sale. So you kind of see the power of this. Now if we scroll up a little bit, you can go ahead and see all these testimonials, and I think there's more up here. And these are other YouTubers that are utilizing the Sprizzy platform, and you can see the results they're getting. 300 plus subscribers, 400 plus subscribers, 1,400 plus subscribers. So not only is it effective in terms of getting views and promoting a product, you can use this to grow your YouTube channel if you have one. So if you're interested in Sprizzy and you have a little bit of money that you can use, I'll put a link in the description below this video as well. Now another free option you can do is you can head over to Facebook and you can type in internet marketing, and there's all these groups. So here's a group with 45,000 members, 25,000 members, 51,000 members, and so on. You can try home-based businesses, and obviously you can just go through here and put any sort of term that you think relates to this type of product in here. Join as many of the groups as you can or as you want, and a lot of these groups are okay with you just going in there and starting to promote things. So you could utilize these groups to push traffic again to that product. In just one sale, you're gonna make over $400. There are lots of other free traffic sources out there. Some forums will allow you to post certain And so for those of you that have been interested in how to make hundreds of dollars today, just starting out with very little experience, that is definitely one of the most powerful ways I could offer you and to suggest that you try. So again, all you gotta do is just find a high ticket item. I showed you how to do that with ClickBank. So again, you can do all this for free if you want to. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think in the comments below. With that, I'm gonna wrap this video up and I'll see you in the next.